When you walk into this incredible entrance hall, it is one like you've never seen before. Everything about it has something historic, something that was built, that was put together, that was designed from 1928, and it has stayed with the home. The new owners have renovated the entire thing, but using every little detail. They know every history about this house, and you will find it incredible. The floors, when you go into the women's drawing room to the left, it's bright, it's open, it's beautiful. When you go to the right, you've got the gentlemen's quarters, where the gentlemen's smoking quarters, where they all sat, and you just feel this history around you. It is amazing. This house speaks to you. This house will speak to you because it is like no other. And any of you that know Shutze and know Menaboni, as many of you do in this world, will find this house incredible, and you will want it. We had the pleasure of having it listed in Macon, Georgia, 2694 Stanislaus Circle in Stanislaus subdivision in Macon, Georgia.